In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your logo bigger on Squarespace, a crucial step to ensure your branding stands out and leaves a lasting impression on your audience. Whether you're a small business owner, a blogger, or just getting started with your website, having a prominent logo is essential for establishing your brand identity and making your site visually appealing. So let's dive into the step-by-step process to accomplish this. First, open your Squarespace site. Now this is the starting point of our journey today. Make sure you're logged in to your Squarespace account, as you won't be able to make the changes otherwise. Once you're in, navigate to your main site. It's like opening the front door to your online presence where all the magic happens. Next, you want to click on the Edit option. This might seem like a simple step, but it's the gateway to accessing all the customization features that Squarespace offers for personalizing your site. By clicking Edit, you're telling Squarespace that you're ready to make some tweaks to your existing setup, and it opens up a world of editing possibilities. Once you're in the editing mode, the next thing is to click on Edit Site Header. The site header is essentially the top part of your website, which prominently features your logo, navigation, and sometimes contact information. Accessing the site header is critical because that's where your logo resides and it's the area we're going to focus on. Now that we have the header in view, it's time to concentrate on your logo. Click on your logo itself. This action will open a specific set of settings related to your logo. Think of this as giving all your attention to that one element you really want to highlight and refine. Following that, you'll see an option to edit site title and logo. Clicking here is a significant step because it opens up the options we need to adjust the logo's properties. You'll want to locate the settings related to your logo size. This section is like your design control hub for the logo elements. Finally, adjust the logo height. According to your preference, you'll find a slider or field where you can increase or decrease the size of your logo. Take a moment to consider how it looks not just at its largest, but at a size that maintains balance across different devices and screen sizes. It's often best to make small adjustments and see the impact it has on the overall layout, providing a harmonious look that doesn't overwhelm your site design. And there you have it, your logo should now be bigger and more prominent, which enhances your brand visibility. Adjusting the size periodically to keep up with design trends can also be beneficial as your brand evolves. Thank you for tuning in to today's tutorial. Make sure to like and subscribe for more tips on optimizing your Squarespace site.